everyone, Jim Baugh here with Jasper Engines and Transmissions. Today I'm talking with Shane Petty. Shane is an engineer in drivetrain and product development, and in this episode we're going to talk about 3D printing and why Jasper's adopted this technology, not only for use by our production associates, but for components used by our customers as well. Now, 3D printing is also known as additive manufacturing, and it allows us to produce or print physical parts from digital models created by computer. Now, Shane, how long has Jasper been using this technology, and what were the reasons for adopting it?
So we've used an FDM printer for several years. That was mainly used for prototyping and light duty use, parts and tools and fixtures. In the last 2 to 3 years, we've added SLA and SLS printers, and that's allowed us to make parts that are suitable for use in our production lines.
Now, we're talking in Jasper's recently completed Jet 3D printing room, and from the units that you have in inventory here, Shane, what components are being printed that a customer might find with the remanufactured product?
We print a pretty broad range of parts. We do plugs, retainers, connectors, etc. We also print some tools that we send along with units to aid in installation of the unit, like our crank sensor alignment tool.
Now, when a 3D component is printed out, there is some prep work that needs to be done before it's ready for use. Talk about that.
Yeah, so the SLA printer, we're going to have to clean the parts after and then use UV light and heat to cure the part. With the SLS printed parts, they're printed in a powder cake, so we have to depowder those parts and then use a vibratory tumbler to get the desired surface finish.
Shane, Jasper's been using this 3D printing technology for some time now, and during that time, what do you feel are the advantages to using this technology?
There are a lot of advantages. You can rapidly produce prototype parts. We can also rapidly produce parts that we can use in production whenever a supply chain issue comes up, and that's been especially helpful the last couple of years.
Well, if you'd like to learn more about Jasper's quality line of remanufactured products, there's a couple ways that you can check that out. You can either give us a call at 800-827-7455 or check us out on the web, www.jasperengines.com. And that's all the time for this episode. For Shane Petty, I'm Jim Baugh, and we'll see you next time.